All right, so we're gonna weld this base plate on here. We had already drilled the holes, pre-drilled the holes last time we was making that anchor plate and this base plate. We matched them up. So what we're doing here today is we're going to use this 2-foot square, and we're going to try to square it up as we mount it and weld it. So that way when we bolt it down there to our concrete base down there, it'll be level when we bolt it up, and it won't be leaning one way or another. So if you use a square, you got a better chance of getting it, level where you need to get it at, versus just trying to eyeball, here and there. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to finish welding it up. We got all these wires on the inside here, and they're coming out right in here. So we're just going to weld a plate. We're going to take a rag, and we're going to cool it off. And then we're going to weld another plate. Then we're going to take a rag, and we're going to cool it off. And we're going to just slowly weld it until we get it welded up the way we want it, instead of just going there full throttle welding and it getting everything heated up here. And my wire on the inside lay down on a piece of that hot metal, melt in there or melt together. And then when I get down there and go to wiring up lights, and none of my stuff won't work, because my wires are melted together in there. So we got it. We use this 2-ton, 3-ton jack here to get it help hold it up there so we could get it mounted where we need it to. Once we got it mounted up there where we needed to mount it, we go ahead and get rid of the jack. But that little base plate there, that's a 1/2 inch, 2x2. It's probably, I don't know what it weighs, but it's pretty heavy. I'll put it like that. It ain't something you hold with one hand and weld with another one. It's got a little bit of weight to it. So we're going to just roll it around. We done welded 2 plates here to get it stable. We got it tack welded on each gusset, and we're just going to roll it around, get 2, cool it, roll it around until we're done. Same thing over here. We're going to watch these wires. You don't want nothing getting hot, nothing melting. I don't like to crimp the wires together, because I did something stupid and let it get messed up. If it's too short and I run up on something, I have to crimp it together, that's one thing. But for me to have a piece of wire that's solid long enough and then I mess it up, I don't like crimping them up. So go ahead and cool that one off. Getting them cooled off, we roll it around and get 2 more. And we'll just keep going until we got both sides of each plate. Get that top there. That ought to be cool enough. And the more I add on to this thing, the heavier it gets. Started out, it wasn't too bad. But the more you add on, the heavier it gets. Right here, bowing up. Gotta hurry up and get it off there. You're gonna put your feet up on it, because it's like about falling in the moment. I might put the other one up on there. She's getting heavy, she's getting weak. Little sawhorse is getting weak. On this end down here, I think they rated for 500 pounds. Looks like she's about to buckle. Alright, so we about got it welded the way we want it. And once we get this welded the way we want it, we just got to go through here and do some sanding and go ahead and spray the bottom of this thing with some paint, so because it's going to be sitting flat on the ground. And then we're going to put a layer of sealing around it, because there's another base sitting up under there that could possibly get some water up under there and sit up under there and rust out because it could get weak. So we're going to seal it up all the way around the concrete where this thing mounts to the base, and we're going to keep the water out of there. So I'll take them off. I think I'm going to leave a little seep hole in the bottom. That way if any kind of water does get in there, it can seep out the bottom here. Maybe. Do I or not do I? I don't think that's going to get in. I'm going to seal it up. Seal it up. I don't think nothing's gonna get in it. Huh? Yeah.